Let me ask you something simple. If someone handed you a tool that could think, learn, and create with you, what would you build? That's exactly what artificial intelligence is. Not some distant, futuristic robot revolution. It's a tool, like a pencil for writing, or a hammer for building. And today, it's one of the most powerful tools ever created, especially for entrepreneurs like you. Now, I want to be very clear. You don't need to be a coder or a tech genius to use AI. You just need to understand how it thinks and how to ask the right questions. That's what this video is all about, unlocking the potential of AI for your business, your ideas, your future. And if you want to dive even deeper, check out my ebook, Prompt Engineering for Entrepreneurs. The link is right in the description and about section. So let's begin with the basics. AI, specifically generative AI like ChatGPT, is like a highly intelligent intern. It has read almost everything that's ever been written online. It's fast, tireless, and available 24/7. But here's the catch. It doesn't know what you want. It only knows what you ask. If you give it vague instructions, you get vague results. But if you're precise, structured, and creative in how you prompt it, you'll get responses that feel like magic. That's why the new skill of entrepreneurship is not just coding or selling, it's prompt engineering. It's the art of turning your thoughts into questions that AI understands. Let's say you're building a business. You need ideas, brand names, product descriptions, content marketing, email sequences, pitch decks, market analysis, you name it. With the right prompts, AI can help you generate all of that in minutes. But the real power, it's not just about speed, it's about strategy. Let's go deeper. Imagine you're validating a startup idea. Instead of spending weeks on surveys and guesswork, you can ask AI to simulate customer personas. You can say, act like a 28-year-old freelancer frustrated with traditional banking. What would make you switch to a digital-only bank? And boom, you get insights that would have taken weeks of research. Or maybe you're crafting your brand voice. You can ask AI to analyze the tone of your competitors and help you define a unique voice that stands out. You can even make it write content in that voice. Blogs, ads, even video scripts like this one. Now, some people worry, won't AI replace creativity? But that's like saying the calculator replaced math. It didn't. It made us better at math. AI doesn't replace creativity. It amplifies it. And here's the secret most people miss. AI isn't just a tool to do the work. It's a partner to think with. Feeling stuck on a strategy? Brainstorm with it. Need feedback on your landing page? Let it review. Want 10 marketing angles for a product launch? Ask away. And guess what? AI is humble. It doesn't get offended if you hate its ideas. You just say, try again, or make it simpler, or be funnier, or add data. It keeps improving. But of course, this only works if you improve the way you talk to it. That's where prompt engineering comes in. You don't need thousands of prompts. You just need to understand how to structure them. Give context, set a goal, specify the style, limit the output. Like this. Act as a social media expert. I'm launching a new eco-friendly sneaker brand. Give me 5 Instagram post ideas in a playful Gen Z tone. See how specific that is? Or this. You are a business coach. I'm starting a subscription box for remote workers. Suggest a 3-month growth strategy using influencer marketing and content funnels. That's the level you want to aim for. Clear roles, clear tasks, clear results. And by the way, I've put together dozens of these kinds of prompt templates in my ebook, Prompt Engineering for Entrepreneurs. It's designed specifically for people who want to start, scale, and automate their business using AI without the fluff. Again, The link is in the description and the About section if you want to grab it. Now let's zoom out for a second. AI is not just about tools like ChatGPT. There's Midjourney for stunning visuals. There's ElevenLabs for voiceovers. There's Runway for video editing. These tools are turning solo entrepreneurs into full-blown media companies. You can design logos, narrate stories, animate content, run ads, analyze performance, automate customer service, all with AI. The question is not, what can AI do? The question is, what can you do with AI? And that's why this moment in history is so wild. For the first time ever, your creativity, your hustle, your ideas can scale like never before. The gatekeepers are gone. The excuses are gone. All that's left is your imagination and the prompts you write to bring it to life. So if you're an entrepreneur right now, you're not just building a business. You're building it with the most powerful partner in history. AI is not coming. It's here. It's already changing everything. And those who learn how to use it, not just passively, but creatively and strategically, will have a massive edge. It's not about replacing humans. It's about enhancing human potential. The entrepreneurs who get this will run leaner, smarter, and faster. They'll test faster, adapt quicker, and grow exponentially. And they'll do it without burning out or breaking the bank. You can be one of them. You should be one of them. And if you want to start that journey today, if you want the exact tools, prompts, and strategies I use, you know where to look. My ebook, Prompt Engineering for Entrepreneurs, is right there in the description and About section. It's not just a guide, it's a launch pad. Because the future doesn't belong to those who wait. It belongs to those who prompt. Now go build something extraordinary.